Superb. So happy 50th SmithFit Weekly, and thank you for joining in. I'm sure that there are more people joining in a bit, and we are just marking today's session with the color red. And thank you, Krishnanji. We
Thank
have
you.
all our members: Kedar, Malini,
Okay.
and Sanjay, Surendra, Parwana, and Abhishek has also joined. Abhishek is interning with us, and
Okay.
today, in fact, he is completing his short term with us, and we are also going to say a short bye but a pause for Abhishek today, and
Okay.
he's going to return back to Smithfit soon,
Okay.
right, once he finishes his study related stuff. But we have our entire team here, and today is no expert session, but all our team has gathered together, and all our Smithfit members will also, there'll be more people joining in. But we have kept it light and fun today. As usual, we're going to start with some physical activity. So, Katie, over to you. And I'll just sharing with all of you the flow is that we'll also do a little bit of quiz for about 5 minutes that Sejal is going to lead. And then we have a little bit of fun discussion and interaction session. What we have planned for today is slightly non-expert discussion and interaction where we are aiming at different things. Let's see how that goes. But before that, Katie, over to you. Let's move a little bit. It's 50th session, so let's do something fun and interesting.
Okay, yay. Exciting session today. Hope everyone's all set up, ready to move. Do as much as you can. If you're a little tired at the end of the day, just move as much as you can, but please do something. Okay. We're gonna do a few simple stretches before we get to a little more coordination oriented things. So we're gonna keep our feet together, and all we're going to start off with is taking our arms behind us, stretching at the back, lifting the chest nice and high, lifting up, stretching the arms up high, then pressing away in the front, squeeze the shoulders away from each other and relax. Okay, we're doing four more like this. Stretch back, reach up as high as you can, stretch the shoulders up, reach in the front. Imagine you're trying to push something away with the shoulder blades pressing away from you and relax. Okay, little faster, three more. Back, up, forward, and down. Moving on, again back, raise up, stretch up. Now straighten the elbows, get the hands closed, reach up, then forward and down. Last one, back, up, forward, and relax. Okay, from here we'll just roll the shoulders forward. And let's change the direction, roll back. So now we're going to take a little bit of distance between the feet, not too much, just about as much as your shoulders. We're going to do 5 reaches down towards the floor. As you stand up, you send your arms back, stretch wide open, point the thumbs back. Again, reach towards the floor. As you come up, inhale. As you go down, exhale. Keep going, 3 more. And relax. Okay, now we're gonna do a simple, easy spot jog. We're gonna keep moving. Just on the spot. If you have some space around the room, of course, you can go forward and back. If you'd like to, if you'd like to stay on the spot, that's okay. We're just going to jog on the spot. And with every count I give, you'll keep jogging, but you're going to reach one leg up, pause, and then keep jogging again, okay? And we're going to go left and right, alternating the legs. So keep jogging, and when I say one, you take one leg up. Ready? One, reach up, and keep jogging. Okay, two, reach up, and keep jogging. The only rest you have in your jogging is when you stretch your legs. And three, and back down. You can't touch the toes, it's fine. Just reach wherever you can. Maybe the knees, maybe the thighs, wherever you can. Just a mild stretch. Okay, four. We're doing six more. We're going to count to 10. With each one, try and raise the leg a little bit higher. Five. Okay, six. Raise up again. Touch the toes. And seven. Last couple. Eight. Nine. And last one. Let's pick up the feet a little faster. And 10. Okay, relax. Now we're all a little warmed up. Okay, I want you to find any odd prop you have lying around you. I have this little book here or a diary. Anything is fine. You can pick up a water bottle, you can pick up the mouse of your computer, any light object that you have lying around. A book, a phone, if you have a cell phone, that's fine. Whatever you have. We're going to place this object. Let's hope it's not too heavy, right? Keep it light. We're going to place this object on our palm as if a waiter is holding a tray, and we're going to take it overhead. I think you can choose whichever hand you want. We're going to go a little wide, and now the opposite is going to turn out. We're going to keep pressing this. Now my challenge to you is I want you to try and reach slowly down, stretch her without dropping whatever you have in your hands. Touch the floor, stand back up. If you can't reach the floor, maybe you can touch your shin or your knees and come back up. Challenge is to not let the hand waver around. Whatever you're holding in your hand should stay nice and secure safe. We're going to do 7 of these. Keep looking up at your hands. That's going to help you balance that object. Again, reach down for the floor and keep pressing up. 4, down, and up. Keep pressing up. 5, 6. Remember, if you can't reach the floor, that's okay. And 7. Bring it down, change the hand. It may be easier if you keep pointing the fingers behind, okay, when you have this hand raised up. So I've changed the hand, my other foot is now pointing out to the side. Can't see, I'll just tilt down a little bit. So the hand that's up, that foot is pointing in the front, other toes are pointing out to the side. And again, looking up, trying to reach down, balancing with the other arm, and I lift up. 7 on this side again. Idea to keep pressing up with the shoulder and stand. 2 done. 5 more. Very slowly reaching down and coming back up. Reaching down and coming back up. Okay. That's our first one. If you finish 7 on both sides, you can put our prop down now. Next one that we're going to do is a repeat from last week. But if your balance has improved, we're going to try to take less support from the wall. Again, we're doing 7 touches across the crossbody. So what we'll do is if I take my right leg ahead, I'm going to lift the back leg. Try and touch my left hand down. Reach forward. Try and touch the ground and stand back up. You can do this without support. That's amazing work. We'll do 7 across the body. Remember, you can hold a wall in front of you, you can hold a table on the side. All these movements, you can always reduce the difficulty to be just appropriately challenging. You don't need to challenge yourself too much. Once we finish 7, we are going to change the leg. So now I'm going to get the left leg forward and repeat 7 on the other side. Of course, what you want to try is keep a nice straight back and not round your back as you bend forward. Take your chest forward, then twist, straighten, and come up. Don't think of bending down. Think of going forward, twist, and come on up. Okay, great. We finished both. We're just going to sit back on our chairs, grab both of our elbows, lift up and open the chest. So from the upper back, open up. Now, as you do this, try not to arch and lift the rib cage up. You want to press this down, brace our abdomen, and only work on the upper back and the shoulders. So the armpits should be pressing back, but not your rib cage. Pull the rib cage back, press the armpits and the shoulders behind. And just breathe here. And relax. Okay. That's all the activity physically that we're doing for now. Back over to Anand. Thanks everybody for taking part.
Superb. Krishnanji, how did you feel?
Yeah, quite good.
Superb.
Yeah,
Hope
fine.
hope you enjoyed.
Yeah.
Excellent. Excellent. So, coming to the next chunk, we have today, Sejal, you have brought something interesting for us on the app side, right? And let me just tell you that these about 13 months of journey for Smithfit has been really exciting for a couple of reasons. One, that our team has increased. Two, our community, our Smithfit weekly members have increased. We have done some very interesting, significant activities across the where lots of expert, members have come in and shared their knowledge, and very wide range of variety over there. So somebody like Hector coming in and talking about ecology and stuff, and to Nandita Bar coming in doing martial art, fun activity, whatnot. I mean, we have done so much during this entire year, and we have also grown as app and our tech side of it, and we have these new members of Smithfit, right? And Gandhali, hi, welcome.
Hi,
So
Anand. Hello,
Rishikesh ji
everyone.
is here, and the new members. Why I'm saying new members is those who are recently joined. Okay, but does not mean that they are not old, and does not mean that they are not new. Everybody is young. What we are going to do today is no expert coming in, but we are going to all chat, express, share, and have a lot of fun, right? So I have small activity planned around that. But before that, let's see what Sejal has to bring in terms of कुछ तो quiz लाया है ना Sejal?
There is a small quiz just to see how well versed are we with our favorite app. So I would request Ketki to please present the screen. of her mobile, and it's like back to school. So owing to the fact that today is Guru Purnima, so we will be taking into account the whole fact that how much have we learned, right? So let's go. Ketki?
I'll start presenting.
Yes, please. So this is a question for everybody. So whoever can answer, please, go ahead.
Sejal, how do we do this? Should we raise our hand and then answer?
Raise your hand.
Yeah.
So there is a reaction button right on your screen. You raise your hand and you answer the question.
Super. Okay. Let's get ready on that.
Is my
All
screen visible?
Yes, Ketki.
Okay.
All
All
right.
right. Okay, so that's how the app screen looks, the home page. Now, my first question is, where can you see your life plan, your individual life plans?
Nandu.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Nandu, you're on mute.
Just below 7:51 PM.
So you click on
Okay.
view detail. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
There you go. So that's how you see, that's where you can see your nutrition for the day. But if you want to see an overview, Ketki, can you show us how do we do that? There. That's the third button in the bottom corner. And you can see whole of your life plan over there, and also date wise. So you can see it for tomorrow. Like that. So all
Yeah.
your events are put up there. So please go check it out if you haven't yet. So you get a week's view in this whole section. Thank you, Ketki. All right, my next question would be where, like, owing to the fact that Katie just gave us such a superb session, where can you see more of Katie and Anand on the app?
And I'm not going to answer this.
Yes, Gandhali.
Gandhali.
It's next to the life plan thing, that video sign and the
Yes,
list sign.
correct. So
Yep.
that's your yoga and exercise session.
And Anand, I should answer this, right? Because this is my brainchild.
Yeah.
So there is Katie and Anand. So due to bad rains and bad network, it's still loading, but definitely you can see it. So these are the different exercises there.
Super.
Right. So moving on, thanks, Katie. Now, one more thing to be mentioned here in the exercise videos are the Medito section. So, how many
Right.
of you have tried the Medito section over here? Have you tried it out? If not, please do. It's really amazing. So there are different breathing exercises, body scan, meditations, which are available. So if not, please go ahead and do it right away after the session. All right. Moving on to the next question. Where can you chat with your health coach? How do you get in connect with them? हेल्थ कोचेस से कैसे बात करेंगे आप लोग?
I think Nandu sir raised his hand.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
Bottom second icon from the right side.
That's right. And you can see a small red.
Yes, here it is small red dot.
Yes, perfect. So you can here this is our coach Ketki's whole list. So she can see the participants, but when you see 4 names. One being your health coach, one being your exercise coach, one being your customer service, that is Mr. Wasim, and one of them being your nutritionist. So all 4 of them are available on your app chat. और आपको जब भी कोई भी डाउट हो किसी भी चीज को रिलेटेड you can ping them. All right, thanks Ketki. Now moving on, sugar testing or your blood pressure or your weight, how do you do that on the app?
You mean to check it?
No, to update it, to self test, to update your self testing.
Yeah.
You go on self-awareness.
Right
Yeah.
on the top, second one, first one.
Right, the upload sign, right? Correct, the self-awareness. So please choose your self-awareness category and put in your values. If you can put one and show. Ketki has decided to
Keep
put
put
away.
your true weight, okay?
That. All right, so that's how I think you must have seen how Ketki has done it. Now, once she's entered it, did you see there was a graph that appeared on your screen? Can you show that, Ketki? Sorry, we're making you do it again and again. So she's confirmed the time. You have to select your test. And it takes you to a screen which shows your progress. Now here you can see the progress on a daily basis, weekly, monthly and yearly. So depending on the readings and how many times you update it on the app, वो आपको पूरी तरह से दिखाएगा कि आपका progress कैसा है. How are you going on your health journey? So this is very, very helpful. So please do self-test. It is actually beneficial. All right, moving on. And this could be the last question for the day. How do you update your health summary? That's an easy
You
one.
mean the EOD?
EOD, yes, the favorite EOD.
Just scroll down below the timing and you will see update your health summary.
Yeah.
Perfect. So you just click on that and you fill in your details for summarizing your day. Don't worry, Ketki, I won't tell you to do it. It's okay.
Superb. That was fabulous.
Thank you so much.
You know, it is always challenging for me to know the calorific value of, under the nutrition thing.
Yes.
काहीतरी आकडा लावतो मी बस बाकी काही नाही.
Yeah. So
I
Kedar,
have no clue.
ते ग्रीन मध्ये येईपर्यंत फिरवायचं, ग्रीन मध्ये आल्यावरती सोडून द्यायचं त्याला.
मी आपलं साधारण मिडवे आणून सोडतो बोबलाला, काय आपल्याला माहिती.
no, the diet part of it is under again construction, and we are working very rigorously on that for the meal entry. Soon shall it be up, right? So that is the upcoming thing. And on the 50th event, I would like to tell everybody that now we are going to be focusing a lot on our app and app tracking. So sub नए participants and also all our long associated participants, now we are going to help each other do that as well. If somebody has a challenge in doing that, we can keep supporting each other. And for that, what we are going to do is we are going to break out into small rooms today. And the most interesting thing of today's evening is that today we said, why not understand about each other and chat with each other. Jaise Rishikesh ji, all of us know, is a wonderful poet, and we have had a session with him. Kedar walks a lot, and he's Kedar, you remember we walked with Kiran. I spoke to Kiran yesterday. So Kiran is like, Are Anand, what are we doing this October? 2nd October is approaching. So towards the end of today's session, I'm going to announce about 2nd October, and we are going to this time join in bigger number, right? So last time's number we are just going to cross, and because we completed 50 sessions today, we will at least be 50 of us walking this year. So let's make sure that 50 of us walk and join Kiran. So last time हम 10-12 लोग थे. I walked about 30. Kedar walked, I guess, almost 40, right?
No.
No,
I
lesser.
did walk 40 lesser because
Yeah. So, but this time we are going to be big in numbers and also support all of these activities that are ongoing. So today's session, is designed and tagged as bucket list. So when we will break out into smaller rooms, just understand each other, chat with each other, know about each other, and what will be the topic? 2 things on your bucket list that you have to share, right? So keep your video on, chat with the Smith fitters and know about each other through understanding कि bucket list में क्या है आपके. तो I think most of us know what bucket list means, right? Can somebody tell me what a bucket list is? Wasim, what is bucket list?
You're putting me in the spot right now. Huh? Okay. Yeah. So my bucket list Probably I would say one of them would be it's for this session. Like, I would like to see this community touching 100 people very soon, and all of them going live on videos and sharing their videos, and we are able to see them, connect with them. That would be my one of them wish list. Bucket list. I would say.
Superb. So we are 28 today, and I feel 72 to go. Right. So I think let's take a marker as well for that, Wasim, and we will do it. Say 75th से पहले. 75th बहुत दूर है, right? So you come back with a number, and we will make it 100 before that.
I would say let's target, since we are targeting October 2nd. Let's target before October 2nd we hit that number.
अक्टूबर से पहले 100 लोग.
Yes.
अच्छा, वसीम का बकेट लिस्ट भी स्मिथ फिट से कनेक्टेड है. सुपर. तो that's crazy passion. लेकिन so whatever you wish to do yourself, right, will be your bucket list activity, and it can be something simple like I want to travel the world, and let me know if you're doing so. I will join you. But whatever it is, so just go really wild. Okay, don't stick to something like I will not. I will not eat this, eat that. That you do regularly.
Yeah.
Right?
No, I have one more if I want to add.
Yeah, sure.
So I had this, since childhood, I had this, thing wherein I would like to camp in a wild, in a forest, not like
Oh.
typical one that we have, jo nearby ghar se 10-15 minute duri pe. No, it's when I mean wild, really wild, where you have that, opportunity of seeing wild animals. Plus, you have to take precautions. So I need to do that. That is in my bucket list. But definitely, yes, I need to have a partner or probably a lot of planning to do. And spending a night in the forest, it could be dangerous. So getting prepared for that.
Superb. So that's
Go to
bucket list.
Bastar area, you will not have connectivity and you will enjoy.
Yes, that's the best part of it. Your cell phone is silent forever for 24 to 48 hours, and you are on your own. And the best part is to understand the wild, you need to have that calmness and find your own ways. So we know we see a lot of geographic channel, we see that, but experiencing by yourself is something that I want to do it one day for sure.
Because
Superb.
when I was working for 8 days, I went to Madhya Pradesh, and for 2 nights we were in Bastar, right close to what is that, Jagdalpur, which is a Naxalite area, and there was no connectivity at all. So I was happy that being in the administration, even if we are on leave, we used to get call. मेरे को आज खाना नहीं मिला, ये ऐसा सब बंद था.
Absolutely. So Wasim, get ready for that. खाना लेके जाओ.
Yeah.
नहीं, ऑफिस से फोन आता था कि मेरे को खाना नहीं मिला.
All right. So we are going to break out into smaller rooms and then come back. You will have your chat time with each other. All of you ready for the bucket list? Okay. So think by the time you are going into the breakout room, think about it. And there you go. Just accept the rooms and you will join those rooms.
Gandhali's bucket list is not involving traveling. It's all about her self-care. So
what are you saying? No.
Yes. Gandhali, tooth sang.
Anand, you know it. 108 sun salutations.
That though is going to happen. Like there is no question on that.
And you know what? Actually, we had Surinder sir who actually helped us, add to our bucket list. His experience with Vipassana.
Ah.
We are thinking, me and Gandhali are thinking.
आप विपस्सना के expert हैं?
He
has done it.
He's there. He's been there to Igatpuri and he's been to Kaivalya Dham as well.
Awesome. केदार म्यूट वर आहे.
Someone takes me to Vipassana Kendra बंद होईल.
Yeah, so for all of those who translation Marathi to Hindi, so अगर केदार जी विपश्यना सेंटर में जाते हैं तो विपश्यना सेंटर बंद हो जाएगा, is what he is saying. Vasant Babuji wants to run 5 kilometers. That's his bucket list item. वसीम का तो स्मिथफिट के कम्युनिटी सेशन में 100 people. So we are 73 less right now, and Wasim, we are all on it. From today, we are all on it, right? Then what were the craziest bucket list items? Yeah, like from the other groups.
You should hear from Sejal.
Sejal, bolo.
Okay, so it wasn't crazy, but I think we've already made plans. So we have Lalita ma'am and Sanjay sir. So they both want to travel. That is a given. And they want to make sure that they keep their sugar levels in control, which is what is amazing. So to make sure that happens, we have decided, so Varna and myself will accompany them on the trip. So, you know, Bheti Ganga mein hum bhi haath dhone wale hain.
Amazing.
And let me tell you that we are also from very different cities, by the way. Vasant Babuji is sitting in Hyderabad and he wants to run 5 kilometers. So whoever is in Hyderabad, join him, right? Then Nirupama, which city are you in? And Pune.
Pune.
What did you put up as a bucket list item?
I'll tell you,
Yeah,
Anand. Can I interrupt and say
Rudrakshi.
something here? So she wants to go to Kashmir, and Kedarji has ruined that for her.
Why?
So that's why I told I wanted to go for a beauty. Yeah, other
So
things
he's
are
like, it's matters. not a very nice
but,
place to visit. So cancel हो गया उनका bucket list out.
So now I decided to go to the Switzerland. That
Upgrade.
वो कागज bucket में गया.
He's saying
Let's
Switzerland is
upgrade.
better than this, so I'll go to the Switzerland. That's
Switzerland, okay.
Northeast ला जाओ. Switzerland ला पण नाही जावं लागणार. Northeast. Seven
Okay.
sisters.
True.
And Nandu sir has an itinerary ready about for the Northeast anyway, so he can always share it with you.
Seriously? My God.
Perfect. And Nanduji is going to take his camera. So whoever wants to learn photography, you are most welcome. So they can learn photography with Nanduji. Raj, what's your bucket list item? Yeah. Raj. Yeah.
Sorry. My bucket list item is to travel to Europe.
Okay.
And at least I was telling Tavishi and Janvi that I got married last year on Feb 28th, 2020, and I went straight into lockdown. I haven't got a chance to go on my honeymoon, so I'm hoping that I get to travel to Europe for that.
All right.
I thought the way he was narrating it, it was going in some other direction, and then he's like, "कि नहीं, मुझे लेके जाना है साथ में." So good.
We wish you speedy travel.
Thank you.
Superb. Then we have Vilma. Yeah.
Sir, if we had someone very interesting in our group who wanted to drive all the way to London. Of this, he wanted to drive all the way to London. So can that person name himself? I would rather have them name themselves.
Who is
So
driving
where are you?
to London?
Who's the one who wants to drive to London here?
Yeah, I was the one. Anand.
गाडी मध्ये जागा ठेवा ऋषिकेश सर.
Yes.
I will ensure that your sugar level.
माझ्या दोन बकेट लिस्ट होत्या. पहिली होती की हे वन ऑफ दोज फिटनेसच्या अटॅचमेंट्स मध्ये यावं की बिफोर अँड आफ्टर वाल्या ज्या असतात ना त्या की जे असं जे एकदा आडवं उभं राहून एकदा असं उभं राहून असं जे ते करायचं.
Right.
So after reducing the weight, of course, not. And second one was to drive from India to London. There is a tour available, so I want to take that.
Fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous. So I think
Rishikesh, we had registered for it for 2021.
Oh wow! Oh God!
And
God,
we
God. Yeah. It's
Yeah.
costs a bomb actually, but still sometimes I want to
Oh
do
yes,
it.
yes. It's a
About I think 18 lakhs or 20 lakhs was the price, but I think lifetime once worth doing that. Yeah.
अनिल दामलेचे टूर्स असतात ना
असं का?
बाय कार.
So what I see is Nandu is very resourceful in terms of whoever wants to travel anywhere. So you can contact Nandu on that, and he
Not
is
only me, even Kedar is also very.
Kedar is an avid traveler. Yes.
only Konkan with Kedar, frozen.
I'm coming. Whoever Konkan.
You go to Aleppi, Kerala backwaters. At least you are moving in dull houseboats. You are stationary only.
And being a shippy, I am not very fond of the shikaras.
So the bottom line is Prabhat Road is the best.
अगं प्रभात रोड पण नाही पुणे 4. पुणे 4.
Hey, we want to ask some of our Smithfitters about their bucket list items. So Sanjay, if you could contribute. संजय आपके बकेट लिस्ट में क्या है? संजय, कैन यू हियर अस?
बकेट में तो पहले शुगर मेंटेन करना.
शुगर मेंटेन करना है.
शुगर मेंटेन.
एब्सोल्युटली.
और उसके बाद में कश्मीर को जाना.
कहाँ?
फैमिली के साथ.
काश्मीरलाच जायचंय त्यांना.
ओके.
आता सगळ्यांना काश्मीरला जायचंय.
Yeah, great. Okay.
Kashmir.
Vilma, we have some other members as well. Vilma, what's your bucket list item? All right. Yeah, she's unmuted, I guess. Vilma, can you hear us?
No, I don't think she's connected because the mic sign is missing. Yeah.
Jyoti Sehgal. All right. Lalita. Yeah.
Hello.
हाँ ज्योति जी. Yes.
Hello. Yes, I can hear. Yes,
बोलिए.
I can.
हम आपको
Actually, I'm out somewhere, so.
No problem.
Aji?
आपको सुनना चाहते हैं what is your bucket list item?
Actually, I was not connected before, so please give me a small hint.
तो आपको ऐसी क्या बात करनी है जो आपके लिस्ट में है, अब तक कर नहीं पाए हैं, and
okay.
You want to do very, very eagerly.
What I want to do, okay. I'll get back. I'm just getting into it.
No problem. No problem.
Yeah.
Surendra ji. Surendra. Surendra ji.
Hello.
Hi. Good evening. हाँ बोलिए.
हाँ नहीं ऐसा I was away for my dinner because we don't take after sunset.
No problem. So we were just talking about all the members and आपके लिस्ट में हम सुनना चाहते हैं आप क्या करना चाहते हैं.
मैं तो ये है कि I have enough of travel. I have traveled worldwide. I have traveled widely in India. So now I'm only sharing my experiences with the friends and the relatives.
Sure. तो हम आपके पास आएंगे whenever we need some information about traveling.
Sure.
All right.
Swati, are you there?
Yes.
Swati, would you just in a minute like to introduce Surendra sir to everyone? Anand, this is interesting. That's why I'm just interrupting.
Absolutely.
Oh, okay. That way. Okay. So, in our last with Surendra sir, we just he, we were having a casual conversation about what he does and all, and then suddenly he said that he is a part of. I mean, he's the founder member of Jito. So it is the Jain organization for traders, and if people in Pune know, or I think in Bombay also, Jito has done a lot of work with COVID relief, especially in the first and the second wave. I mean, enormous work Jito has done. So it was
throughout
phenomenal
India.
throughout India. See, so I had
Fabulous.
two of my friends actually, when they were not getting any place, it was the Jito members that struggled to get place bed for them during the peak of COVID. So it was it was overwhelming to meet and see the person who actually started this whole movement.
Amazing, amazing. Surendraji, we are lucky to have you with us,
Absolutely,
and
we are.
it's crazy. So let me tell everybody that I'm sure that everybody is working for some or the other cause, and on this 50th Smithfit Weekly, I would also like to just announce this, that let's be part of all of each other's cause related activities, right? So there'll be Surendra ji, Jinka, the Jain community coming together and helping the society community. There'll be somebody who will be driving some other cause related missions. So let's all be part of all of these activities that are ongoing, because I'm sure that they help us a lot in terms of going beyond yourself and offering ourselves to different things. So fabulous. I think on a great occasion, I think marking 50th Smithfit Weekly, I think let's make it a point to bring up these wonderful causes or missions together, and keep contributing towards all of these. So 50th one, on the note of spirit of volunteering. So let's see what all we can volunteer for. Uh, I would say that life तो short है, लेकिन जितना कर सकते हैं उतना we will do.
Exactly. We should try our best to do whatever we can.
Absolutely. Fabulous, fabulous. Great. So let's continue with this joining the mission thing. And I would just announce one thing. It's 7 o'clock already. But please bring in and communicate with us anything that you would like to share with this community. And that we will keep a note that every time we meet, we will keep announcing any of the cause or mission related activities. Yesterday, I met Kiran Deshpande, Priya Kedar. I just wanted to make a note again that we are driving, 2nd October mission again. So we are all walking on Gandhi Jayanti. So let us start the activity from today and continue until the 2nd of October. Of course, everybody is walking and jogging by themselves, but let's start logging it in. Whatever you are walking, whatever you are running, whatever you are jogging, right? And please communicate it to the entire Smithfit team. So last time many people had said that we'll walk every day. So please do this time as well. And 2nd October, Pune gang will join Pune gang, and Mumbai also. I'll speak to Kiran about what he wants to do in Mumbai and other places, whichever
How many
places we are.
kilometers you walk?
So Kiran and the team walks 50 kilometers on Gandhi Jayanti. But you can walk 2, 5, 7, 10 kilometers, whatever you wish to, and whatever is your willingness and capability. Right?
I'll share one thing.
Yeah.
I walked for more than 500 kilometers in 31 days.
Fabulous.
This was our pilgrimage from my village to Palitna.
Fabulous. 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 Excellent. So let's take this up and keep walking. Anything else anybody would like to share? Otherwise, it's 7 o'clock and we can continue the discussions and let it organically fade. But if somebody has anything else, it's okay to drop off as well.
Anand, what is your bucket list?
Yeah, so my bucket list is, I have a house in Konkan, which Kedar always keeps telling me that you have to tell me the next time you go. But since then I have seriously not gone, Kedar. So
Yeah, I thought that was on your bucket list to take me there.
yeah. So that one thing is that I want to take him there, and so I have to start staying in that house continuously. Is my one important thing on my bucket list.
So
And
Anand, sorry to
yeah,
digress, but
yeah.
see, we are all going to Konkan with Kedar. So he is not alone. He comes as a package, okay?
And Wasim's list is of 100 people. So I should basically prepare for 100 people in Konkan
Absolutely.
by October, November.
That's
right?
your problem, not ours.
And second thing is travel by road the entire Golden Quadrilateral in India. So drive through is the second one. So that time I can call Rishikesh up as well and everybody. But yeah, these two things mainly. Apart from that, nothing more that I have not done. I've traveled. I have done some other interesting things anyway in life. So keep sharing. That's my other thing that I want to do. Keep sharing continuously as I move forward. Superb.
Thank you.
Thank
Anand.
you. Thanks a lot for coming
Thank
in,
you.
and let's meet up on all other yoga sessions as well as isometric ones. Keep adding the EODs. Thanks a lot and have a great evening ahead.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
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 Have a nice weekend.
Bye. Bye. Thanks.